Welcome to CustomBooks Product Perks. Today, we're talking about the Data Import Wizard.
You will notice that there are some new options in here. So you'll see things like cash sales, you'll see returns, credit memos, some options that were not previously there, like time tracking. Depending on what you are importing, there will be an option to create related documents. So you can do multiple imports at once. That's what this screen is asking me. So it knows that I'm choosing sales orders because that's what I chose on the previous screen, but I also have the option to import classes, companies, items, locations, projects, right? All of these different fields that are related to sales orders, I have the option of importing those at the same time. One thing that's also really cool that is going to be dependent on which document you selected is this step 6 right here, so additional transactions. So for example, if I were to import sales orders and then some of these selections in here, it will also allow me to create those later documents. So in this case, a shipment, a sales invoice, a cash receipt. So that way I'm not having to do one import for sales orders, a second import for shipments, a third import for invoices, and then a fourth for cash receipts. I can do them all within the same import session. If you need the templates, they're right here at stage 2. So for payments, I can open up this template. I can grab it. It's just going to give me an Excel formatted file with all the different fields, and I can say export. And you'll notice too, we saw this on both screens, records handling. I can either update and create records in Accounting Suite. I can just update existing records, or I can create new only. So you do have some flexibility here. You can set default. So for example, I did not have a payment method. I can come in here and say a default value for this. Let's see what we have to choose from. There you go. Let's just say that everything is being paid with our American Express. Perfect. And I could have default values for any of those other ones in case I left something blank.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up on all the latest news on CustomBooks.